Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to explain about creating put and patch request. So before starting, let's understand what is difference between put and patch. So as I have also explained in my previous video that put basically updates the resource and patch also updates the resource. The only difference is put replaces whole entity of a resource, but patch only updates a particular attribute what we pass in our body. So this I will show you by an example. So let's start, and this is employee APIs. These are dummy APIs. So let's do one thing. Let's fetch all the employees in a database. So this API will give us all the employees. This is a get request, so we'll create a get request with URL and body. So let's fetch all the employee. So this is all the employee. I'll just make it little beautiful. Now you can see these are the employees which are available in database. Now let's select any one employee and fetch the details of that employee. So to get details of particular employee, this is the API URL where we have to say employee ID with these base URL and endpoint. So let's create another request which is get request, and it takes the employee ID as path parameter. So let's choose any employee ID, like say this one. uh, we'll fetch the details of this employee ID. Yeah, so it is saying this employee is like having salary 1 to 3, employee age is this, name is this. Exactly same thing is here also. Now what we will do is we'll try to edit the information of this employee using put and patch. So let's start with another request create which are of type put. So for put will method type will be put, and the base URL will be this, and again endpoint will be this. So I'll just copy whole URL together, and we'll make this as put, replace it, and this 21 is employee ID what we have to pass. So we are trying to edit the information of this employee, so we'll get the ID of this employee and put it over here. Yeah, apart from this, if we check the API details, they have also said that we need to give the body which we want to uh, change. So let's copy the body and put it in body section in raw data with uh, application JSON type. So now it says the name, salary and age. So the name, salary and age, see the name here is some random characters, age is this and this. So if we use put request and if we want to change the name, like say STUTP, so let's hit this put request. Yeah, so it says a request successful with some response. Now let's check the same URL, just hit the send button and see. I'll just make it little beautiful. Yeah, so if you see the name, it says STUTP, and employee salary and employee age is as per what we have sent 1123 and age 23. So now you can clearly see that the put request is updating the name, salary and age. Same way, the different, if we want same request to be patch, we just have to change the patch, and it will update, it will do the same thing, it will update the employee details. But thing is, what will happen in patch, that if you only update the name, it will only update the name in the existing record, it will not replace whole employee details. But if we use put, what will happen, it will update whole entity. Even if only name is changing, it will update whole thing. So that is the only difference between put and patch. Rest everything is same, like creating request, giving request body and all. Yeah, so now I hope you will be able to create all type of requests like get, put, post and patch. Now in my upcoming video I'll show some tricks to test APIs and some different other tools and like different ways how to test the APIs, like how to see the server logs, how to check the database and all that. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.